Looking for home design inspiration? You're in the right place. Okay, seriously, you have to see this kitchen. I'm completely obsessed. This is the definition of modern Tudor organic, and honestly, it's a game changer. Wow, I mean, look at the warmth. It's totally giving cozy luxury vibes with all this beige and natural wood. The earthy palette just melts away the stress, you know? But the scale? This room is massive. We're talking 18 feet by 15 feet. And the ceilings, they feel so dramatic, soaring up like 11 feet 6 inches. It's not just a kitchen, it's an architectural experience. And check out the island. It's a monster, a 9-foot slab of natural live edge wood. You can actually entertain here. It's perfect for prepping, having coffee, everything. Seriously, no more cramped cooking drama. Plus, that huge arched window over the farmhouse sink, probably 8 feet tall, it floods the whole space with light. It's genius. I'm so over tiny dark kitchens. This design solves all the drama with timeless style and incredible function. This room is beautiful, but I've saved the best part for last. Follow me?